everybody, welcome back to the Makisode YouTube channel. How are you today? I am doing great in my neck of the woods, and I hope you are too. So today we want to show you how we made this dress. Now, what's special about this dress? It is very colorful, and guess what? It was made from scrap yarn. Only crocheters or knitters would understand what scrap yarn is. This is leftover yarn from all kinds of other projects which you have worked on, and so instead of throwing it away, we are supporting, we're trying to keep the environment safe, and so we're recycling, so to speak. We are reusing, we are reducing. Instead of reducing waste, we're reducing waste and then putting the what should have been waste into a better use, which is making something this beautiful and colorful. Are you new to our channel? You should go subscribe. Go subscribe right now. Wait, go subscribe now. I'm going to give you a second to do that. So hit the subscribe button. All right. So this dress, we worked it in 3 parts. Yeah, essentially 3 parts. Very easy. And I'm guessing if you're an ardent crocheter, you'd already know how to crochet in back loops only, and to create this very ribbed. This is the ribbed part of the cloth. This is the first part we worked. This part, like we saw in the pictures and the short video at the beginning of this tutorial video. Yeah, this is the part where you have the chest. This is the chest region. So this gives the chest region a very decent cover. All right, so single crochet stitches, back loops only for this ribbed part. That's what we worked. That's how we worked this part. And then right after we're done, we now graduated downward. We worked down and we used shell stitches. Now, as shell stitches increased as we went along. So the first 4 rows we used just 3 double crochet stitches, and then the next 4 rows we now increased the double crochet stitches to 5. And then like that onward until we decided to stop when it was 7 double crochet stitches, or these are 8 double crochet stitches. We stopped increasing and we maintained this. This gives it a very girly look. Yeah, very, very girly and playful. And the colors, of course, this just gives it a very, very this is a beachy look. A park, you can wear this to the park, you can wear this to the beach, you can wear this on an evening night out, a girl's day in, or you dress it up, dress it down. It serves all kinds of purpose, and it is super colorful. All right, so after all of the shell parts, you can work this as long as you want it to be. If you want it to be a mini dress, that means you're going to be measuring. Your measurements will just stop maybe just above the individual's knee. However, if you want it to be a little bit longer, maybe a little bit just below the knee, you can do that. If you want it all the way to the ankle, you can totally do that. It will give it this very princessy look. So after the chest region, which we worked in single crochet stitches in back loops only, we worked the shell stitches part of it, increasing gradually until we got to where we needed the dress to stop. Yeah, the next thing we did was that we infused sleeves. These sleeves, we used the Houndstooth stitch to give it some form of sturdiness. Yes, we did that. And then last but not the least, we now infused beads. Look at that. We infused beads into a few rows up there in front. You can decide to bead the entire chest region. That's up to you. It will still make your work look great. All right, so this cloth really is a very beautiful one. So I just thought to show us how we made this. Now, do you have questions about any specific part of this video, any part of the workings that I have talked about that is not quite clear to you? You can ask that in the comment section. Would you like to be taught one-on-one on how we make our dresses? We make all kinds of dresses. We make wedding dresses even. All right, if you want to learn how to do that, do leave a comment for us below and we'll organize a class for you. So that's it. Happy hooking. Yeah, enjoy this particular pattern, and you can share with us what you make from it if you will. Do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.